Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share an amazing AI tool that will revolutionize the way you create videos. Meet PIXVERSE AI. This incredible tool helps you generate stunning videos in no time. Whether you're working on African folk tales, kids' animated stories, or AI films, PIXVERSE AI has got you covered. With just a few text prompts and images, you can create realistic, stunning, and amazing videos in the blink of an eye. No need to combine different AI tools. PIXVERSE AI does it all effortlessly. Getting started with PIXVERSE AI. Create an account. Visit the PIXVERSE AI website, https://www.pixverseai.org. Click on Try Now and sign up using your email. Choose a plan or take advantage of the free trial to explore the platforms. Log in to access the dashboard, where you'll find options to create videos using text, images, or characters. Method 1. Text-to-video creation. In the dashboard, select the Create option. Describe your video idea in detail. For example, a white cruise ship glides across the calm sea under a vast horizon. Use customization options like style, realistic, anime, or 3D, aspect ratio, and resolution to tailor your video. Add negative prompts to exclude elements you don't want. Click Create and let PIXVERSE AI process your prompt to generate the video. Review the output, save it, or make adjustments as needed. Method 2. Image to video creation. Upload an image to use as a reference, such as a photo or illustration. Adjust settings like camera motion, movement strength, and resolution. Click Create to let PIXVERSE animate your image. Preview the result and save it to your library or download it. PIXVERSE AI makes video creation accessible to everyone, allowing you to produce stunning videos quickly and easily. Give it a try and see how it can elevate your content. Thanks for joining us in exploring PIXVERSE AI for text-to-video creation. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. See you next time.